Hello members, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you magical support and resistance. Yes, magical support and resistance. With the one single candlestick, you will get the magical support and resistance. That candlestick is a doji candlestick. Yes, doji candlestick is an indecision candlestick. So many traders are confused with this candlestick, but that candlestick will give so many opportunities. You can earn so many profit from the doji candlestick support and resistance and doji candlestick trading. In this video, I will show you the magic support and resistance from the doji, and with the next video, I will give you the understanding about the doji, that how we can understand the doji meaning. That is a communication process of the buyers and sellers. When the buyers and sellers communicate to each other, they communicate with the doji candlestick. So when they exchange the opportunities with each other, the doji formed in the market. So doji is a very reliable candlestick, and doji support and resistance level is a very reliable support and resistance. This support and resistance level will work after 2 days, after 5 days, after 10 days, even after 1 month, the doji support and resistance level work, because that period is an indecision period. In that period, the market create an indecision from the buyers and sellers. Now we have just to understand the doji support and resistance level. In the next video, I will share the more information about the doji. Okay, so doji is your friend. Doji gave you so much information from the, about the buyers and sellers. Here we have so many dojis, and we test all the dojis. That is the doji. Just to draw the horizontal line above, on the upper point, on the lower point, and lower point, and see, in these lines you will find the reversal, you will find the rejection. Okay, so here doji created, and in this area you will see these are the reversals. And one thing more here, inside the doji range you will find the consolidation market. The inside the doji range, you will find the consolidation market, a little range market, because that period is indecision. In the indecision period, market always create an indecision because buyers and sellers test to each other. That's why you will find the consolidation market inside the doji range. Okay, so that is a doji, and it gives the reversals. It gives so much opportunities. Now we find another dojis. Okay, here we found so many dojis. Just to test these are dojis. These dojis will give us so many opportunities. We just to understand. From here, this doji, this candlestick gets support from the doji. Here the candlestick stop on the doji, and reversal you find on the doji, and then another doji. Right from the candlestick you get rejection. Here you get reversal. Here the candlestick gets support from the doji range. Here the candlestick gets reversals. Okay, on the doji area. Once again, there is another doji. Reversal on the doji, rejection on the doji, reversal on the doji, and here you will find so many false breakout in the doji range. When you find the candlestick close inside the range, you will find the false breakout, because this range is an indecision range. In indecision range, you will find so many false breakouts. There is another doji. We just to point out the 2 points, the upper high, the lower low. Okay, here this doji gives the reversal, 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 reversal. Okay, again we found the dojis. Yes, there is another doji. Just to draw 2 lines on the lower low and higher high, you will find the reversals. There is a reversal. Okay, it will work also if the market, when the price comes to this range, it will work. And there is another doji here. You will see the reversals on the doji range. You will see the indecisions inside the doji range. Reversals, rejections, reversal getting support. So the doji range is very powerful range. You can use this support and resistance. That support and resistance is a very reliable support and resistance, and you can earn so much money from the doji support and resistance. It will give you reversals, support, 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 support. Once again, we are finding two. Yes, again, have we found the doji range? The doji must be in the IQ option in the gray color, okay? If you find this type of candles, these type of candles, these are not the doji, okay? The gray color, that is a perfect doji. You will find the reversal, here reversal. Getting support from the doji range, breakout, retracement, rejection, rejection, reversals, reversals, and reversals. So it's proof that the doji support and resistance working very well. Here the strategy about the doji and support and resistance, if you find the doji in the ranging market, it will give you so much opportunities. And even if you found this doji in the trend, it also gives you the opportunities, because the support resistance of the doji is very reliable support and resistance. In the next video, I will give you the understanding about the doji, that how we can read the message about the doji. If you understand the message of the doji, it will give you so much opportunities in the market that you can earn so much money from the doji. That is the doji. Reversal, okay? It will give you reversals. The fast breakout you will find with the doji range, in the doji range, okay? Here, another doji, just to find last and test it. Support. It give you the reversals, rejections, reversals, rejections on the doji range. So that is a doji support and resistance you can use in your trading setup. You can increase your winning performance with the doji support and resistance. This doji support and resistance is very reliable. And okay, now we have to test the doji. If we are here, there is a doji, and we want to test it in the future, that is it working or not working. Okay, so that is the doji. So the time is here 15:31. Okay, so 15:31 we will test after 2 hours to 3 hours. There is a 23:08. It's working here. 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 Working here. Working here. It's working here. Working here. It's working here. It's working here. Working. It's working here and working here. Working here. So 15:31 we test the doji. Okay, it's also working here. Now the time is 13:11. After 1 day, the doji is working. The doji support and resistance is working. So you can test. Okay, practice on it, and then apply on your real trading. Okay, it's working. Thank you so much.